welcome to the Sound Effect Podcast, the Mystery Sound Quiz edition. My name is Asbjørn Andersen and I'm the founder of asoundeffect.com. Can you guess what's making the sound you'll be hearing in a few seconds? If so, simply hop on to asoundeffect.com/soundquiz and submit your answer in the contest. This will give you up to 2 chances to win sound effect libraries from Boom Library worth $1,000 in total. Here's the sound, and we'll leave it running for a few minutes so you can get a good listen. Looking forward to hearing your answer to what it is at asoundeffect.com/soundquiz. Here we go. Thanks for listening. If you think you know what it is, be sure to submit your answer at asoundeffect.com/soundquiz. Thanks for taking part and good luck.